Have you ever been in a quiet room and your stomach starts growling? Embarrassing, right? But why does it happen? The growling noise, called borborygmi, happens when your stomach and intestines contract to move food, liquids, and air through your digestive system. Even when your stomach is empty, it keeps working, creating those rumbling sounds. But here's the catch. When you're hungry, your brain sends signals that ramp up this process, making it louder than usual. Think of it as your body's way of saying, hey, it's time to eat. The growling gets even louder when there's less food to muffle the sound. So an empty stomach is basically a loudspeaker for your digestion. So next time your stomach starts growling, don't be embarrassed. It's just your body doing its job.